Divine. Philippines. Iyak naman kayo. Sarado niyo.
Ito po ang namatay na si Mark Ian Pateo. Can you see that? Can you imagine that?
Din. Ay, salamat. Uy, sabi mo din na.
That was the end of the story. The great Pani knocked him into the sea and he was washed out. Hey, say hi. Hello.
Okay na.
Pakilala na tayo. Tayo na lahat. For the people who need our things.
Yan po ang maiwaga namin MC. Ang mga producer, Kennedy Puda, Sound System, and ang beautiful Madla. Ito ang kanilang director. Director, what can you sir say? Direct!
Oh no.
This is Joko.
Sa si Rowel, binigay din eh.
Hindi ko kilala pa.